At Gerdau, our mills have the capacity to make tons of steel for products that go into buildings, bridges, roads, cars,
and many other things that we use every day. But we also have a different type of capacity.
the kindness capacity.
Each year, we donate hundreds of thousands of dollars to organizations in our North American communities, and we spend countless hours volunteering our time.
We clean up after natural disasters, fund city murals, teach students coding and robotics, build houses, do canned good drives, you name it.
The major areas we focus on are recycling, education, and housing.
Some of our biggest global initiatives have been the hospital we built in Brazil and student housing in Argentina using modular construction.
We even support passion projects of employees like me. I'm the founder of a nonprofit for kids in STEM, and Gerdau has even donated to my mission.
Our desire to help others is endless.
Because when we live by our principle of do what is right,
Our kindness capacity is limitless.
This is how we make the world a better place for all. Gerdau, shape the future.